Hello traders. Today we're cracking open the Nvidia chart. So Nvidia, a stock that's been catching attention with its technical setup. After a week of back and forth trading, Nvidia managed to close just above its 10-week moving average, a level that could prove pivotal for the stock's next move. Let's break it down with some key buy and sell signals you don't want to miss. Nvidia closed this week at 137, just barely holding above the 10-week EMA at 136.42. While the margin is slim, the fact that it closed above this level gives the bulls a slight edge heading into next week. Historically, holding above the 10-week EMA has been a key indicator for bullish continuation in trending markets. On the upside, the first level to clear is the 50-day moving average at 139.35, which has been acting as resistance. If Nvidia can break above that, the next target is 145, a level that has capped price action since November. Also worth mentioning is the 140 calls expiring in January were very active on Friday. Friday's options flow on Nvidia is quite active, with notable trades suggesting potential bullish interest, but also some hedging or profit-taking dynamics. The standout trade is a $4.9 million sweep for the 140 calls expiring on January 24, 2025, executed above the ask at a spot price of $136.66. This indicates aggressive buying and could signal a bet on Nvidia climbing above 140 in the short term. Similarly, another large sweep of $2.4 million was spotted for the 140 calls, also expiring January 24, 2025, reinforcing bullish sentiment. On the flip side, we see a $2.9 million sweep for 136 puts expiring February 21st, 2025, which could be a hedge or a directional bearish bet, especially given its execution above the ask at 135.83. There's also a $1.6 million sell order for 142 calls, which might suggest some traders see limited upside near term. The flow reflects mixed sentiment, with bulls betting on a breakout above 140 and some participants hedging or taking advantage of premium levels at these price points. As Nvidia trades near key technical resistance at the 50-day MA, this activity could indicate upcoming volatility. On the downside, the 10-week EMA, 136.42, becomes the first line of defense. A break below this level, actually a close below that, opens the door to 132 and even 130, where previous consolidation occurred, and eventually to the 200-day MA at 117.37 if selling intensifies. Looking at momentum, the RSI is sitting at 57.39 in neutral territory, but trending slightly down, indicating some caution is warranted. The MACD is still bearish on the weekly chart, showing a declining histogram. This suggests that while bulls have managed to hold the line, momentum hasn't fully shifted in their favor just yet. Look for a breakout above 138.75 with strong volume. This would confirm bullish momentum and set up a move toward 140 with a stretch target at 145. If Nvidia loses 136.42 and closes below this level on a daily or weekly basis, it signals further downside with an initial target at 130 and a stretch target at 117.37. So the big takeaway here is that Nvidia is at a technical crossroads. The weekly close above the 10-week EMA keeps the bulls alive, but there's still resistance overhead that needs to be cleared. Watch those levels closely, 139.35 for upside confirmation and 136.42 for downside risk. If you found this analysis helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more stock insights. What do you think? Will Nvidia break out or break down? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.